Friends, it feels good to also have you back here today. So we are going to complete the second part of this product upload, which is creating inventory for the uploaded products. Creating inventory for the uploaded products. Remember what I told you about variant and non-variant products. Let's go and check. Variant products are products that have options like size, color, style, material, or any other characteristics that might change the appearance or functionality of that product. 2. Non-variant products are products without variations. These are products where one product will only have one option. So they don't have any option like size, it's just there. So now let's go back to our browser. So we are inside our Rosewood NG store. So what do we do next? We go to menu button. Remember, menu button. We go to stock. Then we go to inventories. See inventories here. So inventory is open now. So we don't have any inventory. I can see is 0 to 0. So what are we going to do? We are going to now create add inventory. We're going to click on add inventory. So let's add inventory. The next thing is that we are going to search for that product that we added inside this place. We are going to search for that product that we added. So what we're going to do is that we are going to type the name of the product is vibrant vibrant jeans. Okay, see the product here. So as you can see, we have two options for this product. So this is product, the one that has 11. Remember we added 11, so it will differentiate the first one from the second one because we already have that same product with that same name. So here is what we are going to click. As you can see, we have add to inventory with variants. That is add product to inventory with variants, and then we'll have add to inventory. So what we are going to choose is add to inventory with variants because products that we want to add has variants. So click on add to inventory with variants. So as you can see, the variants are here. So these are the variants. So the first we need to do, we need to set the variants. So we go to the first one, which is color. And then let's add the color of the product. We have that product blue. You select blue. We have that product again, black. We have it again, sky blue. Sorry, black. Okay, let's put sky blue. So we have the three colors. if you have more colors for your own product, you can add them. You can add yellow, white, purple, pink, all of them, add them here as colors. So but it all depends on the color of the product, the colors of the products that you have. So we now go to pattern. We might not need pattern. It can be perforated or rugged. This is not spelling of rugged. We'll need to correct that. So but it's not perforated. But anything it is, you can write it here. Rugged. So we can add rugged and click enter. Anything you want to just add it. Then what size do we have? Let's say we have it, you can see SL, but let's say we have it XL and XXL. So we'll just have just these two sizes. We can add more if we have more. So style, anything can be style. It can be, it depends. It depends. So I don't know how you name your clothes, but you know clothes have styles. So it's female, not male, and not unisex. So select female. So now you see what we have done here. So what do we do now? We now click on save variant, this button here. So click on save variant. It's loading now. So after loading, it now opened for us a page where we are now going to fill the details of the product on the inventory. So as you can see, it says add inventory. Add inventory. See it here. Add inventory. So remember, we need to fill up all the fields that have asterisks on them, like this one, like this one. You see that asterisk is compulsory. So what are we going to fill? We are going to fill a name. What name are we going to use? Let's use VIB. Brand jean trouser for ladies. By Tina Best. On Rosewood NG. So it depends on what you want to add. So the next one, warehouse. The warehouse is not compulsory. Supplier is not compulsory. Available from. So when are we expecting this product to be available? Is this product a pre-order product that when customers pay, they will have to wait for the product to come before you deliver, or are these products available now in your store or in anywhere you keep them, but basically store? So I'm going to choose is available now. So I will touch the box. I touched here. I touched here inside that box, and the calendar now open. So today is 26th of September 2023. I will select it. So I want it to start today. I want it to start today. So this one is compulsory status. So as you can see, the asterisk there is compulsory. So you see the asterisk there. Hold on, there's a mistake. You see the asterisk there. That's starting in the middle. I'm using left to draw. So okay, it has to be active. Make sure it's active. not inactive. Make sure it's on active. So you now put minimum order quantity. Remember, for your information, if you are filling any field and you get confused, you see this question mark here. Go to this question mark and then click. It will give you a clue of what you are supposed to fill there. Once you click on it, as you can see, it said the quantity allowed to take orders must be an integer value, default equals to 1. So what this means is that it cannot be 0, because you have to have something to buy. So minimum order should be 1. Weight is not compulsory. Packaging is not compulsory. Free shipping, we have free shipping for people who are within Enugu. You remember when you set up your shipping. So we are going to click on the shipping to change it to active, because as you can see, it's not active. It's showing X sign here. So let me change it to active. I touch on it. So you see it's showing a good sign now. So it means that it's on now. So package, nothing. So variant, here is the tricky part. Here is the tricky part where we add the variant. So we are here. So as you can see, we'll have 1. Let's count. This is what we are going to be counting. See, from here we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, so and so on to 5, 6. So we have 6 of them to add. Now, the best way to add to fill this part of this video is for you to rotate the phone so you can see the whole screen. As you can see here, the form only finished here, but it didn't finish here. It's just hiding. So you just rotate your phone. Okay, see, our phone is on rotate now. You now see that we now have more than stock quantity. We'll still have purchase price. We'll still have purchase price. As you can see, we'll still have prices. We'll still have price offer. So we'll still have a lot of things to fill. But the good thing is that do not be bothered about this. Sometimes it might be 20, 30, what you want to fill, but don't be bothered about this, because once you start filling it, everything will be automatic. So what do? We start with number 1. We go and fill the SKU. We'll start from here. No, start from with image. Let's start with image. Normally, if you have image, so let's go and upload image. Click here. File manager. So upload our clothes image. So as you can see, it's showing that something has entered. You see, it's showing that something has entered, but here, nothing has entered here, nothing has entered here. So now remember, we'll rotate our phone so we can continue the filling. So SKU, you are going to add a code. So the code of the product is going to be, because the product is a Vibrant trouser, Vibrant jean, we can say it's VB R Vibrant, and then we can say O01. Done. So the next one is condition. We go to condition. We'll click on condition. You see new, used, and refurbished. Here is the condition. So do it once. You see. So you click there. The product you are selling is new, it's not used, and it's not refurbished. So we'll leave it as new. So the next one is stock quantity. How many of these products do we have in stock? Is it 10? Is it 20? Is it 4? Is it 5? So, but I'm going to make it, let's make it 5. So the next one is purchase price. Purchase price. See purchase price here. So we are going to be going one after the other until we finish. So purchase price, let's put purchase price. That's the price you bought the product from the market before selling it. So 5,000. Your customers are not going to see this thing. It's just, you just put it there so it will help you to, calculate what is happening in your store after sales. It helps you calculate what's happening in your store. So the next one, we go to price. So we are selling it now for 9,000 naira. It's supposed to be 7,000 naira, but we advise our people to add 2,000 naira for shipping, even though you are setting your store for free shipping, because you still have to pay the bike man. So we add 9,000 naira instead of 7,000 naira. So the last one is offer price. Offer price, this is 90,000 naira. Wow. So offer price should be, let's make it 15,000 naira. So what this thing does is that when customers come to your page, they will see, oh, that you were selling this product for 15,000 naira, but you have reduced it to 9,000 naira now. So that is the function of this offer price. That is the function, So it will not be like, okay, you are giving them discounts. So and then you are selling for 9,000. But remember, you are selling for 7,000 and then you added 2,000 for shipping that you're going to use shipping. Used to pay the delivery guy. So here is interesting thing that happened. When we are done filling the first line, the whole number one, when we are done filling all these things, you will also notice that automatically number 2 was filled, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 6. So, which means it makes our work a lot easier. So what are we going to do? We are now going to, now make sure that everything is put in place, because it cannot just go automatic, else it will be the same product. So what we are going to do is that we are going to arrange it, what we have. So as you can see from here, what you are going to check, you are going to check from here, each one. You still do it for this one, still do it for this one. So this one is a blue rugged XL. So let's make it blue. Let's add something to the code to make it different. So we are going to add BLU for blue. That's color. And then we are going to add XL. As you can see by the side, that's the size, for the size, to make it unique. So done. The next one is we are going to edit this stock quantity. So those are the two things that we need to edit to get our desired result. So what we are going to check, we are going to ask, okay, how many of these blue trousers that are XL, how many are these blue trousers that are XL, how many of them do we have? So if we have 5, we'll leave it at 5. If we have 5, we'll leave it at 5. If we have 4, we'll switch it to 4. If we have 20, we'll switch it to 20. So we can say, okay, let's leave it on 5, or at 5. So we do the same thing for this one. This one is blue XSL. This one is blue SSL. So let's add blue SSL to the code just to change it. So blue XSL is we'll add blue, BLU for blue, and then we'll add XXL for size. Then we'll come here, quantity, and then let's say we have this one 4. we are going to put 4. So the same thing we are going to do for everything here. We can come here and do this one. We can come here and do this one. This one is black. So this one is black. As you can see, we have black here. So we have done with it. We want to do black. Black has the jean has black color and it has XL, and here it has black color as well, and then it has XXL. So we need to do it for this one. We still have sky blue. As you can see, we still have sky blue here. So you need to do everything, the same thing for all of them. So let's change this one. Let's change this one to BLC. That's black XL. Okay, let's say that the alert quantity is 7. Okay, let's say the alert quantity is 7. We can just add it to 7 and change it to 7. So you are going to do the same thing for all. You are going to do the same thing for all of them, from 1 to 6 or whatever number you may have as a result of what you added. So you need to edit them, edit them. So now we are done changing all the details. We are done changing the SKU details with a code we prefer to code our product, and then we change the stock quantity for each one. We change the stock quantity for black XL, and we did all that. So the next thing is we are going to, okay, we still have forms to fill. So once you are done with this variant session, you can rotate your phone back and then put it up. So now we are done with the other side. Every other thing has gone the other side. So we are going to move down data offer. So when does this offer date? When does this offer start? This offer of slashing from 15,000 naira to 9,000 naira. So when does this start? You are going to set date. You are going to say it starts today, 26. So offer date, when does it end? The date, when does it end? Here's what we do. We touch the box and then go to calendar, push this arrow, push it again, and then set November 2nd. Okay. So the next one, condition note. Condition note is not compulsory. The next one is key features. The key features, what are the key features of this product? The key features are: 1, there are stock jeans. So it has more than one key feature. So what do? We open another line. So we'll go here. You see here. We'll go there and click the plus. You see, open the other line for us. So we are going to add is also a stretcher. It's a stretcher. So no other thing has asterisks here. So everything is looking good. Here, when this one, we don't have anything to fill here because we have not uploaded more than one product. Okay, let me check. We uploaded one product with the same name. So is it VB? VB. Anyway, we don't have it. So but once if you have more than one product already uploaded, you will find a product will pop up. So you don't need to touch this slug. This one is automatic. It works with the title of the product. You just leave it. So tags, remember how we did tags the last time? We are going to still do tags, women's, all those things that I know people will search if they are looking for. People who are looking for this kind of clothes are women. So they are looking for women clothing. We can add women clothes. We can add women fashion. Anything you want. Even if you can't find anything, just type the one you want and add. So this is it. So the next one is, let's go to meta title. Meta title is also important, but it's not compulsory. It's a very great feature. So we are going to add our meta like this, meta title like this. Say by women trousers. By Tina Best. On Rosewood NG. So you can now add meta description and quality we've added. So what do you do next now? You save. You check whether everything is okay. Everything is okay. We didn't miss anything. We didn't miss anything. We didn't miss anything. We didn't miss anything. So we go and click save. So here is save. Here is our save. So click save. So as you can see, it saved successfully. So let's check. So see everything that we added here. The 6 of them are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to view this thing from our storefront. We're going to view it from our storefront. So I'm going to show a video on how to get your store link. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.